Okay, Caleb. So today I'm going to have you solve some problems. I'm going to read them aloud to you, and then you can use these manipulatives. Do you know how to use them? Do you know what these are?
Yep.
So you just kind of use them to count. And then you can solve the problems in whatever way you can solve them best. Whatever's easiest to you. I just need you to keep record, like keep writing down how you're doing it and explaining so that you can explain it to me how you solved the problem, okay? Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so the first question is, and if you need me to reread it at all, I can do that too, okay? Alright, so Joe wrote the phrase 6 less than 4 times the sum of 2 and 3. Write an expression that best represents what Joe said. Do you want me to read it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Joe wrote the phrase 6 less than 4 times the sum of 2 and 3. Write an expression that best represents what Joe said. Alright, so what did you do?
I added parentheses where the 2 and 3 are because it says the sum of 2 and 3, which means addition.
But how did you know that you needed to put parentheses around those?
Because they came first. They're supposed to come first.
Okay. And then what did you do after?
Then I said multiply by 4 because it says 4 times the sum of 2 and 3.
Okay. And then what?
Then I put minus 6 because it says 6 less than 4 times.
Okay. So how did you know to put those in the order that they're in? The numbers. Is there any other way you could write this problem?
Mm-hmm.
Show me. I can't help you. Okay, so why were you able to move the 4 to the very beginning?
Because if I had this at the beginning with no parentheses, then you would do that first instead of.
Yeah, but why are you able to write the 4 after the 2 plus 3, but you can also write the 4 before the 2 plus 3? Pretend like the 6 isn't there. Why are you able to write it on either side?
Because it doesn't change.
What doesn't change?
The sum.
So can you solve this problem for me?
So 1 equals 14.
Okay, so tell me the order that you did that in again.
I did 2 plus 3, and then I did 4 times the sum of 2 plus 3, and then I got that answer, and then I subtracted 6 from the sum of it and got 14.
Okay, thank you. Let's see if we can show this to my group members, if they can see it, I'll probably just send you pictures of it, but in case you want to look at it. All right, so next page. I'll read this to you really quick. All right. Julia went to the store and spent a total of $25.52. Round $25.52 to the nearest tenths place to show about how much she spent.
Okay.
All right. So what did you do? Well, let's talk about what's the answer that you got first, if you want to say that out loud.
25.50.
So what did you round it to? What's the tenths place?
Rounded it to 50.
Okay, why'd you do that?
Because the number next to the 5 is less than 5, so then you go down.
Okay.
Well, it stays the same.
Okay. And then how would you say that if you're saying like dollars, like in a dollar amount? How would you say this number?
$25.50.
Okay. All right. Then we can move on to the next question. I think that's good enough. All right, number 3. The dog ran 324.763 feet when trying to chase a rabbit. Round 324 and 763 to the nearest hundredths place to explain about how many feet the dog ran. Okay, what'd you do?
I went to the 6, and the next door neighbor is small.
Okay, so which number's in the hundredths place?
100?
Hundredth. With a TH. Hundredth.
The 6.
The 6, okay. And then you rounded it down?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because the next door neighbor is too small, so make it round up.
It's too small? Small. How big would it need to be for you to round up?
5.
5 or more? Okay. Next problem. Number 4. Jackie has 34 marbles and Natalie has 123 marbles. Sarah has 4 times the amount of marbles as Jackie and Natalie combined. Write the number sentence that shows the number of marbles that Sarah has. Do you want me to read it again?
Yeah.
So Jackie has 34 marbles. Okay? And Natalie has 123 marbles. Sarah has 4 times the amount of marbles that Jackie and Natalie both have combined. So together, their marbles together. Write the number sentence that shows the number of marbles that Sarah